What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with Fishing with Tito. Today we're gonna be out here doing a little crappie fishing. I went to work today. It rained, so I was hoping I can get out and make a video, catch some fish. I was told about this spot. I have fished here before, but I didn't know it was no crappie in here. So we're gonna see what we can get today. We're gonna see if any crappie in here biting. The water is real low. Got me a new tripod, so want to test it out, see how does it work. So we got one gentleman over there in the background. He over there fishing. I think he brim fishing, but I'm crappie fishing. I was told there's some crappies in here, but I don't know. I know it's some brim, bass, and some catfish in here. So like I said, I went just got off of work. So I want to see what all I can catch. So I was gonna go by the house and get my worms, but I just decided to come on because I was trying to beat the rain. Like I said, it did plan raining today. Before I started fishing, I was already fishing over there off that dock over there. So got some little bitty hits. They were some little brim. Now the sun want to poke back out. It's getting warm. So let's walk on down, you guys. Let's walk on down. So if you guys, this is a part. I have, like I said, I fished over here before. But if you guys liking these videos, please give me a thumbs up. They hit me out on the video to continue to make videos for you guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Somebody lost their cork there, but I don't feel like stepping down there and getting it because it's real muddy out here. But I'm walking on the bank. So we're gonna find a spot I can get down on. It's not too steep because I don't know how much rain we did get. Like I said, it rained in some spots, but not rained. It didn't rain at all. So the park I'm fishing in is called Snowden Grove Park. It's in South Haven, Mississippi. I'm fishing with the not blue and black. It's green and black Bobby Garland jig. I just wanted to give them some kind of dark so they can see it because the water is from it raining. It is muddy. I want to go do some catfishing, you guys. This is the lowest I ever have seen this water over here. Got a little nibble there, but that wasn't nothing but a brim because he came up after I pulled it. Yeah, it's muddy. It's that red mud, like red clay. So that was the name of the park. Snowden Grove Park, South Haven, Mississippi. That's where I'm fishing at, you guys. Trying to find a good spot for me to go down. Let's see. A lot of places have, I'm going down, they have like steep hills like that. There's a lot of fire ant hills. I want to step in them. Oh, I see some rocks. So I can go down these rocks right here. Like I said, I've never been all the way around this whole pond, lake, or whatever you want to call it, fishing. I always stayed on one side and fish. All right. Made it to the spot I want to go down. So let me sit you guys up here. Haven't got a hit yet, you guys. No hits yet. I got an idea. I'm gonna go to this other spot where I used to live at. It's close to here. I'm gonna do some fishing over there. And I know there's some crappies in there, but I haven't fished over there in a long time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Sorry about the short video, but I want to go where I can get some. I know I can get some bites at. So I'm gonna take you guys there, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching Fishing with Tito.